let's add a scroll to top bottom to our page. And to make sure that it appears on every page, the best place to add it is to your header. Go to the navigation, quick navigation at the top and select your header. Everything propagates. You can go to add and then you will find this scroll under the blocks. And there are so many blocks. Progress scroll or scrolling image. No. There. Back to top. I found it. And you can just search for it. Type in back. It's the only one with the word back in. Back to top. Click and it drops within the header builder. But you'll see it's here at the bottom. By default, it gives you what you need for it to do. When people click on it, it will move to the top. We can style it out a bit. Let's go to our container button and the background border, color, and I'll put it on our strawberry red. But I don't see anything happen there. Do I need to give it a solid container? It is sticky. And we say show always, show halfway, show near bottom. We say show halfway, not all the way. We only need it once we get half the way down. And it has even that little counter showing us how that's working. How can we style that out? Must be under the button. Okay, so we have icon progress. So the progress, let's make the progress color. The tracker should be red. Why I don't see anything? Background red. Background is red. Let's make the tracker white. Okay, tracker is white. Let's switch it around. The visuals are not that great within the builder. There we go. That looks much better. And we can add also a color to our icon. Make that also red. Like so. Noise. And that is back to top. Can I add text here? Advanced, scroll offset, scroll selector, icon and text. There we go. Icon, I think, which is probably better. And we can just add text back to top. Style that out. Now we have that container button. So I guess this is the button now. Background, let's make it white. Good. And then where is my button? Oh, typography. Good. Getting it. Getting there. Back to top. Save. Jump to the front. Scroll down. And then we should have back to bottom appears. There we go. Back to top. Halfway through. So that is white on white. A little difficult to see. Let's go back into our builder and add a border. And then for the border, I'll add a width of 2 pixels, color red, and the style is solid. Let's do that. Save. And we do the regular refresh. And that pop-up just keeps on pop-upping every time I want to exit. And now we see that nice red border back to top. Let's select it. Ooh. Scroll down again. Select it. Yeah. And that brings us to the end.